How to change your Trust Wallet password. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Trust Wallet passcode. If you want to change your PIN or passcode of your Trust Wallet to ensure the security, here's what you need to do. First of all, open your Trust Wallet application and log into your account using your passcode. You will be able to access your account. This is the home page of Trust Wallet. Here at the top left, you will find the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. You will reach to this section after tapping on settings. Here scroll down and find the security option. Once you find it, tap on it. Again here you will have to enter your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, you will access the settings section here. Within it, you will find this passcode option. Currently the toggle button is switched on. You just simply have to toggle this button to switch it off. For that, again you will have to enter your passcode. Enter your passcode and then you will see you have successfully disabled your passcode. After doing that, again you will have to enable this option. For that, toggle this button to switch it on. Once doing that, now you can create your new passcode. Enter your passcode here. Again confirm it by tapping it once more. After you type it, you will see you have successfully changed your Trust Wallet passcode. So this is how you can change your Trust Wallet passcode and ensure the security of your account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.